Anglo-Saxons were active in both local and international trade networks. Their trading helped spread goods, ideas, and cultural ways. This was shown by the Anastasius platter, a silver dish from the Byzantine Empire, in what's now Greece and Turkey. It most likely travelled in stages across the continent before it ended up in Britannia. These trade routes showed that folk on the continent saw a reason to come to England for trade. The making of Anglo-Saxon coins, like the silver and gold pennies, helped keep the economy steady and made trade easier. These coins often showed images of kings and symbols. It might sound small, but at the time in Ireland, slaves were used as currency, and over in Germania, folk traded with cattle. So the penny marked a big step forward, likely taken from the Romans and the Franks. This showed the Anglo-Saxons weren't just fine metal workers, but clever administrators too. Later on, they brought in the long cross design, which let them cut coins into halves and quarters when needed, a forerunner to coin denominations. Craft groups helped grow specialist skills and fine workmanship, leading to the making of high-quality goods. The Anglo-Saxons took part in wide-reaching trade networks, linking up with nearby regions, and even trading as far as the Mediterranean.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer, and comprehensive video.